Hello mga ka-kitchen and welcome back to Kitchen Time with Anna. Today, gagawa tayo ng isang chicken recipe with some ingredients that are very healthy for you. Tara, let's start! So first, iba-blanch muna natin ang 1 kilo ng manok together with some ginger and a tablespoon of Shaoxing wine para maalis yung kanyang langsa. So first of the ingredients na na-mention ko kanina na very healthy for us is itong dried lily bulbs. Nakakatulong to relieve dry coughs and to soothe your throat. So in this recipe, I'll be using 3 tablespoons. I-rehydrate lang natin with some water and set aside muna natin. Next naman ay slice lang natin into about 2 inches length itong green onions. Yung white part ay gagamitin natin in sauteing together with some ginger, 2 pieces of star anise. Next ingredient is the Sichuan peppercorn. Mukha lang siyang black pepper but it has a very different flavor profile. This one has a mild citrus flavor, may pagka-floral din siya and it gives a numbing, tingling effect sa mouth ninyo. So kung di kayo masyadong sanay, konti lang muna kagaya ng ginamit ko ang ilagay nyo. And to give umami dito sa ating recipe, I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of doubanjiang or broad bean paste. It's quite salty kaya hindi na ako mag-a-add ng salt dito and it's also quite spicy, so if hindi kayo masyadong sanay sa mga maanghang na pagkain, don't add so much. So afterwards, pwede na natin idagdag yung ating blanched chicken. After giving it a little stir, ay pwede na natin i-add yung ating rehydrated lily bulbs. For the seasoning, mag-add tayo dito ng 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing wine, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and also 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Give it a gentle stir para maging well combined ang lahat ng ingredients. Then we will add 2 cups of water. Allow it to boil for 10 minutes, then turn the fire into medium, let it simmer for 15 minutes. 5 minutes before the end of the cooking process, pwede nyo nang i-add yung green onions as the garnish. And just like that, you now have this rich, savory, and aromatic chicken recipe that is not just very delicious, but very healthy for you too. It's quite pleasant in texture as well because the chicken is very tender and the lily bulbs provides a little crispness. So, sana matry nyo rin to mga ka-kitchen.